Tanmay again. This video is in continuation with my last video about the UPI expense tracker, like wherein we uh, automated the task of updating the UPI transactions in the Excel file, right? So the earlier version, the version 1 was the text-based or the command line version. As you can see, this was my repo, which that repo. So I got a lot of a lot of suggestions, and a lot of people told me that it's not a user friendly, and a lot of people won't be able to use it because they don't know how to, start with it or how to configure it. So I made it very simple, and I made it a GUI version, that is the graphical user interface version. So now anyone can use this tool easily. They don't have to go to command line and all that stuff. So it looks like this. Yeah, so a lot of people has told me to make a GUI version, so I made it, and now it looks like this. So this is my UPI expense tracker. I made it. I named it UPIx, and it's a very good, it looks decent. It's a very simplified and minimalistic version of it. So it asks for the Excel file which you need to update. So the Excel file that I'm providing, you can only use that file because that has the formatting, right? So you can use that, you can browse it, and you can find that file. So currently I have my file stored here, so I'm selecting this file. And now I can choose the date since when I want to add the transactions. That is again like before, but it's very simplified now. And there is a feature called last run. I'll going to tell you, I will tell you how it works. So first let's fetch the transactions. So it's now the fetching transactions. It's again giving you the progress bar and all that stuff. Now it's all the transactions that you see are the transactions of 14th of February, that is today, that I have to add. So earlier I used to give the inputs in 1 2 3 format to the command line, but now what I can do is I can simply go to first one transaction. I can select the food. Let's say it belongs to the food category, and I can apply to select. So now the category is assigned. And now let's say I have 15 16 transactions. Let's say, okay, let me show you. So let's put the date to be 9th of February, so that we can get a lot of transactions. So now it's going to fetch the transactions since 9th of February. So as you can see, it's doing it in real time. I have applied the threading concept, so it's concurrent processing. So now you can see all the transactions are fetched from the mail, right? So now let's say I know that the majority of transactions are from food. So what I can do is I can go on food. I can apply to selected category of Zomato, let's say, and then I can go to apply to all. I can click on apply to all button, so that it will apply food to all the categories. Now let's say I know certain transaction doesn't belong to the food category. Let's say this transaction of credit. So I can go and I can select, let's say, EMI expense, let's say, and I can apply to that specific one. And let's say I want to skip this particular transaction of Blinkit. So I can go and I can click on skip, and I can then apply to the selected one, right? So it will skip. Now I just have to click on the update Excel part, and here you go. The Excel file is now updated. And if you notice, the last run is now changed to 14th February, and the last transaction date, last update date. So what will happen is, now if I again click on the fetch UPI transaction, right? So as all the transactions are already been added, so now it will return me that no transactions are there, because all the latest transactions are already been updated. So this is just a check that we've used. So now uh, that's how I've updated this tool. Since we have already updated the transactions, I've opened the file again. I've removed all the things, all my things. So you can see 19,001 is 19,008 is added, and EMI expense that we did. And for food also, date wise it's added, right? So from 9th to 14th we have given, right? So it's already been updated. So yeah, it works. So I think this template and tool will really help you to manage and track your UPI expenses. Thank. So this is the version 2. So now I'm planning to add the functionality to read the bank statement in the version 3, and then in the version 4 I'm planning to make or implement AI that is that will be used to auto categorize the expenses. So currently you have to select, right, everything, so which kind of category is this expense belong to. So in the version 4 we will implement the AI, and so that it will automatically it will understand your previous choices, and based on that it will automatically assign the values. So this is my plan. So this product is still not completed. We will work on this to make it a full-fledged project. So I think it started with just my side project, and now I'm planning to make it a professional application. So let's see how well it goes. So thank you for watching. I will update the links of this late updated Excel file with the manuals how to use it on the GitHub and everything. So you'll get the updated thing. So yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my more good content. If you really like my content, or if you really want to know what I'm up to, you can follow me on my YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you. Bye.